Mamas and Daddies, I am Pratiksha and I welcome you all to our channel My Career Motherhood. Today I have bought a recipe for you which is gram flour, oats and vegetables pancakes, which we also called as chila in Hindi. This is a very good and nutritious recipe. If we talk about oats, there is a huge list of benefits which oats have, and apart from that, the question which may come in your mind is that when can we introduce oats and gram flour to our baby. So oats you can introduce to your baby once the baby turns 6 months, but don't introduce as a first food. First let the baby start with purees and rice granules and lentil water, and after that in a second or third item you can give oats to them. So if we talk specifically about this recipe you can give to your baby once the baby starts eating the things by chewing them nicely, like around 10 months, 9 to 10 months, and the vegetables in which I have given in the pancakes is in the chopped form. You try to grate them nicely so that they don't cause any kind of choking problem in your baby. So in this way you can just modify the thing as per your baby, and the texture should be as per the baby's age and taste, and you can make for yourself also. It is very good, and we will talk about the nutritional benefits of this recipe after you watch this video. So before starting the video I would like to inform you that I try to post all my videos in Hindi as well as in English language, so in whichever language you are comfortable you can watch this video. I keep on posting both the videos simultaneously. Apart from that, I would also like to inform you that I have started this channel few months back only, and I try to give you information regarding pregnancy, postpartum, parenting, childcare and everything related to motherhood. So please do support me by subscribing to my channel and liking my video and passing on and sharing with all the friends and families, so that it gives me a lot of motivation to make nice videos and informative videos for you all, and it will not cost you a single penny but will support me a lot. So please do watch the video and then we will talk about the nutritional benefits. So these are my ingredients for oats and gram flour pancakes. I have taken 1 cup of oats, 1/3 of the quantity of oats gram flour, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 small onion, 1 small capsicum, 1 big size tomato. Green chili is obviously not for babies. We have taken this for our consumption. And then in spices I have taken salt, black pepper, roasted cumin powder, turmeric powder. These are the enough spices which we need. Apart from that, if you have coriander leaves then please do add in that. Now I have taken a container in which we are going to make the batter. First I will take the oats and dip them in water. The water quantity will be such that all the oats are completely dipped, and once the water is added you give a nice mix and let it rest. See, the process of resting is really optional because I find it to be very easy and the oats comes out to be very soft, so I have just taken the process of resting. And apart from that I have also added curd in it and I have given a nice mix, and I will keep it and let it rest for 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes my oats are nicely soft and done. I am going to add my gram flour in it. Here I have added the gram flour. I will again give it a nice mix to it, and then I am going to add all my vegetables, tomato, capsicum, onion and all the spices, turmeric powder, salt, cumin, roasted cumin powder, black pepper, everything. You don't add chilies for baby. Once you are making for yourself then only add green chilies. And the vegetables, put all the vegetables in the batter, give a nice mix to it. If you have coriander leaves, please do add them, because they are going to really enhance the taste of your recipe. I really didn't have, because as we know lockdown period is going on and everything is not available every time. My batter is ready, but it was really thick in consistency, so I have added a little more water to make a nice perfect batter. So this is a perfect batter for my pancakes. Now what we are going to do, a secret tip is that take a spatula, round shape spatula like this, add ghee or butter or cooking oil, make it hot, then add mustard seeds. This is a very nice tempering which is really going to enhance the taste of your pancakes. See, once the mustard seed starts crackling or dancing, I must say, put them in the batter give a nice stir. See, just put it like this and give a nice stir, and this is perfectly done. And if you have curry leaves, then please do add them also in your tempering, because that is also going to make the taste of pancakes very nicely. Now I have taken a pan, or we say tawa in Hindi. If you have a non-stick pan, you can take that, and then grease it with some butter. You can also use cooking oil, but as I am making it for my baby, I prefer using homemade butter for her. Then I have poured my batter on the pan and spreading it slowly and nicely. The lower part of the batter is already stuck to the pan, so we are going to spread the upper layer and just do like this with the slow and light hand. So in this way you can give a nice round shape or any shape which you feel like, so as to make your baby attract towards it and they can consume it nicely. And then you add the butter all around the pancake so that they turn out to be really nice. If you are very health conscious or you want to use non-stick pan, then you can use it, but I prefer using this. So my pancakes are getting cooked. See, the color is changing. Once the color changes, try to take them out. Don't do it forcefully. Just check whether they are cooked or not. See, in some places my pancakes are cooked, but in some places they are not. But let me try to check whether they are coming out or not. My pancakes are perfectly nice and ready, and see the golden brown color which is coming is perfectly very crispy. In case you want to use non-stick pan, you can definitely use. The pancakes will come out very nice, but they will be little soggy than this one. These are going to be more crispy than those, but you can use definitely them also, no problem with that. And my pancakes are very much ready, so you can just turn it round, press it with nice slow hand and check whether they are nicely cooked or not. See, the purpose of adding gram flour in this recipe is that they makes the taste very nice, and also the pancakes comes out to be very easy. And my pancake is ready to be served. The color is perfectly okay, and let me check whether my little one likes it or not. So let's go and check. खाया कौन खाया? कैसा लगा? देखो कैसा लगा? कैसा लगा देखो? फिर से कौन खाया कौन खाया? Nice, nice, nice. गप गप खा लो, जल्दी से खा के दिखा दो तो देखो. Eat on your own. खाया कौन खाया? Very good. Fish, हाँ fish, fish. कौन खाया कौन खाया? कैसा है? Nice, nice. So here you have seen how my baby ate the whole pancake so nicely. Though first bite was, I think she did not like, but after her tongue got the flavors of all the things, so she ate almost the whole pancake, and which was very satisfactory on my part. Now let us talk about some important tips in this video. See, gram flour which I have included in this recipe is really optional, because in case you are giving this to your baby below 1 year, gram flours are really not recommended because they are little heavy to digest. So you can make the oats pancake without gram flour also. They will also taste very nicely. And once the baby turns 1 year plus baby, you can make the recipe as it is shown in this video. Now let us talk about the health benefits of oats. See, there are numerous health benefits of oats. The first thing is that they are very rich in fiber. They are very easy to digest. They have lots of good protein, good fats, and they are very gentle in digestion. Apart from that, they really help babies to feel very satiated. One serving of oat is enough to fill your tummy. It is a very good idea for your breakfast. Even you can give this to your baby in dinner or lunch. There is no problem with that. And in case of vegetables, you can modify the vegetables whichever is available in your home. Generally tomatoes and onions are available and we can include them. Apart from that, I didn't had coriander leaves, so you can make enhance the taste of this recipe by adding coriander leaves and curry leaves in the tadka which I have made for this for the babies. Apart from that, I have added capsicum. Capsicum are very good source of vitamin A and K, and onion and tomato are very rich source of antioxidants. Overall, the recipe is full of nutritions, and it will give your baby very nice taste, and the baby will enjoy. You can have this recipe with anything. You can have this recipe with curd, and you can have this with tomato ketchup. Also, one more thing, I have included curd in this recipe, which is again optional. If you don't have curd, you can add lemon juice, and even you don't have both, you can skip both of them. Both of the things are optional in nature. So this is the complete information about the oats besan or oats gram flour chilla or pancake recipe. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and share with all the mommies, daddies, parents, guardians, nannies, with whoever your baby is staying. And also do make for yourself. It's very good for health. It is light to digest and very good breakfast idea for you and your family also. So please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with friends and families. Till then, happy parenting, happy life, stay healthy, stay happy. Goodbye.